Hello again, YouTube. These are the £5 iPod, the Replica iPod earphones that I got. Now the sound quality on these is brilliant, and I'm going to do the sound review as promised. And these stay in your ear like surprisingly well. Like I did a 30-minute jog, they didn't fall out once, so they're definitely worth getting. I'm just gonna play like a bit of dubstep, maybe something like that. I'm not too sure yet. But I'm gonna put it next to the speaker near the 3.5mm jack on my 4S. There we go. As you can see, it copes with the bass amazingly. And I'm gonna skip it further into the song. It takes fucking ages for my laptop to. Takes absolutely ages for my laptop to load. I mean, as you can hear, the bass is very like hard, and it really does hit you at one. Alright, anyway, thank you. Please subscribe. Goodbye.